Lord, today my heart feels the weight of absence, of someone who once smiled, held my hand, and showed me what love truly means. They are gone from my eyes, but never from my soul. And even through tears, I still feel their light shining in every memory, every word, every small act of kindness they left behind. So I pray, wrap them in your peace, Lord. Let your eternal love be their resting place. And comfort the ones who remain, those learning to live with silence, but still believing in reunion. Because true love never dies. It crosses time, distance, and even death, and blooms again in eternity. If you felt this message, please subscribe for more prayers that heal the soul. Thank you for listening.